First, we'll open the door. Right on the edge of the door is a circled plastic cover that needs to be taken out. Use a thin screwdriver like that to pull that plastic cover outwards. Once the cover is out, right inside is a screw that needs to be unscrewed completely. We'll need to use a Phillips screwdriver looking something like this. We'll punch in the screwdriver inside and then unscrew it all the way till the end. This screw specifically does not come out completely, it actually stays there. We are only unscrewing it up until the very end so that the door handle loses its grip. Once you notice you have opened it enough and the screwdriver is not coming out anymore, that is a sign that you have completely unscrewed this up until the very end. Now we grab the door handle and then pull it towards the left side. It should move 2 to 3 inches towards the left side, and then we can carefully pull out the door handle. That is how we take out the door handle. Now suppose the door is closed and you want to open it. Right there is a plastic piece that belongs to inner door handle. We tap in our finger and then pull out the inner door handle. Just like that, you will be able to open the door. In case if you want to put back the door handle, just reverse the steps we did and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.